In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto update for extensions on Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you want more control over your extensions, avoid unexpected changes, or keep a specific version of an extension working the way you like it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're inside Cursor, look to the top left corner of the window and click on View. This menu gives you access to several useful panels and tools inside the editor. After that, from the View menu, click on Extensions. This will open the Extensions panel where all of your installed extensions are listed. Now find the extension that you want to stop from auto-updating. You can scroll through the list if needed, and once you locate the correct extension, click on it to open its settings or details. Inside the extension options, look for the auto-update setting. This is usually a checkbox that controls whether Cursor automatically updates that extension for you. To disable it, simply uncheck the auto-update box. Once it is unchecked, Cursor will no longer automatically update that extension, giving you more control over when and how it gets updated. That's really all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled auto update for an extension in Cursor AI. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Cursor AI tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.